Well, Maryland already has a pretty big name in space science between the Goddard Space Flight Center and the Space Telescope Science Institute that has operated the Hubble, and Congress willing will operate the James Webb Space Telescope, and of course APL. But I think if there were one thing that Maryland should do as a state, as a region, it's to start to couple remote sensing of the Earth into sort of public health and public well-being applications in a much deeper way than has been possible before. NASA spends only about 5% of its Earth science budget on those kinds of applications. But with other assets in the state, like the Bloomberg School of Public Health or the USDA Agricultural Research Center, that can help answer questions like, as the climate changes, will yellow fever come back to the United States? Will we have further outbreaks of hysteria in the Chesapeake Bay? We've already had a researcher at Bloomberg help address the incidence of malaria in a region of Zambia using Earth remote sensing. Similarly, what areas of Earth as the climate change will become fertile for crops and which areas will become less fertile? Those are very important questions that are very practical and affect the well-being of millions of people on Earth, and certainly millions of people in this country. And it kind of addresses the question of what is space good for, other than sort of the space scientists who are interested in it. I think that's where Maryland really needs to push as a region going forward.